Today, we're diving into the past continuous tense, the grammar rule that even advanced learners get tripped up on. 10 questions, real science and history, and some sneaky traps along the way. Let's go. Question 1. Which sentence correctly uses the past continuous tense? A. Galileo proved that the Earth orbits the Sun. B. Galileo was challenging the Church's view of the universe throughout his life. C. Galileo has changed science forever. D. Galileo challenges authority even today. Correct answer, B. Grammar point. The past continuous is formed with was, were, plus verb ing. It describes an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. Option B correctly uses was challenging to show an ongoing activity during a past period. Question 2. While Thomas Edison blank on the light bulb, he tested thousands of different materials to find the perfect filament. A. Was working. B. Is working. C. Were working. D. Worked. Correct answer, A. Grammar point. Thomas Edison is a singular subject requiring was. Question 3. At exactly 8 a.m. yesterday, the astronomers blank observe the solar eclipse through their specialized solar telescopes. Correct answer, were observing. Grammar point. Astronomers is plural. In past continuous, we use were plus verb ing. Question 4. During the blackout, the hospital's main computers blank not function normally. A. Didn't functioning. B. Weren't functioning. C. Wasn't functioning. D. Not were functioning. Correct answer, B. Grammar point. The negative past continuous is formed with was not or were not plus verb ing. Since computers is plural, were not, weren't is required. Wasn't is only for singular subjects. I, he, she, it. Question 5. What blank you blank at 9 p.m. last night? I tried calling your phone, but it went straight to voicemail. A. Did do. B. Was doing. C. Were doing. D. Are doing. Correct answer, C. Were doing. Grammar point. For WH questions in the past continuous, the structure is WH word plus was, were, plus subject plus verb ing. You requires the auxiliary verb were. Question 6. The scientists blank monitor the volcano when it suddenly blank erupt. A. Monitored, was erupting. B. Monitored, erupted. C. Were monitoring, was erupting. D. Were monitoring, erupted. Correct answer, D. Grammar point. We can say that something happened, past simple, in the middle of something else, past continuous. Were monitoring equals the ongoing background action. Erupted is the sudden interrupting event, past simple. Only option D correctly assigns past continuous to the longer activity and past simple to the sudden event. Question 7. Which sentence correctly uses past continuous to describe two simultaneous past actions? A. While the surgeon operated, the nurse prepared the instruments. B. While the surgeon was operating, the nurse was preparing the instruments. C. While the surgeon had operated, the nurse prepared the instruments. D. While the surgeon operates, the nurse was preparing the instruments. Correct answer, B. Grammar point. To show two actions happening at the same time in the past, use past continuous in both clauses, was operating and was preparing. Using past simple in both clauses, option A, suggests the actions happened sequentially, not simultaneously. Question 8. True or false? During the lecture on quantum physics, I was knowing the answer to the professor's question is a grammatically correct sentence. Correct answer, false. Grammar point. Know is a state of verb, a verb describing a state of mind, not an action. State of verbs are generally not used in continuous tenses. It should be, I knew the answer. Question 9. Identify the error in the following sentence. Marie Curie was discovering radioactivity when she became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. A. Was discovering should be discovered. B. Became should be was becoming. C. Was discovering is correct. D. First woman should be first women. Answer A. Grammar point. Discover here refers to a specific, completed achievement, a milestone, not an ongoing process. Past simple, discovered, is correct for finished events. Past continuous would imply she was in the middle of discovering something, which distorts the historical meaning. Question 10. Spot the subtle error. While Charles Darwin was developing his theory of evolution, he was also suffering from a mysterious illness, and he was understanding how controversial his findings would be. Answer, was understanding is wrong. Understand is a state of verb and doesn't take continuous form. Grammar point. Understand is a state of verb like know in question 8, so it is not normally used in the continuous form. Therefore, he understood is correct. Meanwhile, was developing, a process, and was suffering, a physical experience which can take the continuous form when emphasizing duration, are acceptable. So, how'd you do? Drop your score in the comments. How many did you get right? If you want more grammar challenges like this one, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. And remember, great scientists question everything. Great learners do too. See ya!